Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 11 captive screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover and slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Once the palmrest is free, be careful not to pull it all the way up as there's still some cables to disconnect underneath. Lift the palmrest partway up, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Push open the locking clip and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Peel off the foam strip that's covering the touchpad screws. Peel back the tape. And remove the 3 2mm screws from the touchpad. Lift the palmrest partway up and pop the touchpad free to remove. Slide the touchpad back into place. And replace the 3 2mm screws. Replace the tape, and replace the foam strip. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable and the palmrest cable back into the motherboard. Lay the palmrest down and push down to snap it back into place. Flip the device back over and tighten the 11 captive screws in the bottom cover.